C++ Typedef. So what is a Typedef and how to use this Typedef? You can create a new name for an existing type using Typedef. Following is a simple syntax to define a new type using Typedef here. So Typedef, type, new name. If you are not getting, let me explain this one in this way. Typedef, so it is a keyword. In place of type, I have written say int, and then I'm writing this new name as fit. And later in my program, I can use fit distance. I can define distance of the type of fit, and fit I defined using this Typedef int fit. So now the following declaration is perfectly legal and creates an integer variable called distance. So I think our conception will be clear if we go for one example in code. So here is the example for us. So hash include iostream using namespace std as usual. So there is a main function typedef int fit. Fit distance is equal to 30, and then we printed the value for the distance, and the output is something like this, that is distance is equal to 30. So in this way we can define our own type using the typedef keyword. We can define our own data types with the help of which you can define other variables and can work in our programs. Thanks for watching this video.